All right. This is your truck, hon. This is the driver's side.
Hey,
Door open.
Dad, how are you doing?
There's Cole.
I'm also going to film this.
Okay, Cole. See, right here we have the outside. The fancy schmancy mirrors.
I'm going to show you the truck. So,
Yeah, look. There's the chrome on the outside. Chrome on the running boards. There is a security lock right here. The little code, that's pretty nifty. Here's Cole filming his own stuff. This is going to get interesting.
I'm also filming.
Okay.
So it also has this thing.
And here's the back seat. What's wrong, Bailey? Yeah, I'll give it first out. There's second. Here's the back seat. Plenty of room for children's. And see that with the floor mats in here, but we'll probably want to get those mud protective ones. Okay, something you can't see on the video is when we talk about the backup alarm. Just a diesel thing like you're expecting it. The backup alarm, it actually does make the beep beep sound when it backs up. So probably because it's just so huge. And so here's a tie down plug right here. Another one right here. A platinum package. Your dually axles.
How's he on it?
Little marker light. Want to sit where?
Backside.
Backside?
It has a back
Okay.
camera.
Yep. Whoa, that is one.
It's pretty
Heavy
heavy, but I
tailgate.
can still lift it. It's pretty heavy. This thing's pretty heavy,
Yeah.
but I can still lift it.
Yeah, so you can see all the tie downs and spot for the fifth wheel.
Hey, can I sit in it?
Me too.
And nifty stuff in the tailgate.
Hey, can I sit inside this?
You can for a second when it's not moving. There's Cole showing you how huge it is.
What?
Oh,
Wait, Bailey.
there's been chrome on the tailpipe. Bailey!
It's on my hands.
Oh, you're too heavy to lift. Oh, steps.
So we'll go from this.
Oh, look at this.
He said Tuesday's fine.
Okay,
No worries.
all right.
We're just trying to see if we can accommodate you earlier.
All right, so we are also talking about overnighting
So
you
there's-
paperwork.
This is a bar for you to hang on to, if you want.
Look at that.
There you
Look
go.
at that. That is so cool. What do you think, Bailey?
I think that's really cool. This is a really cool truck.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, remote start. That's handy. Oh my gosh, the goose. All right, let's get the center console action back here. You can see the climate, you got power place, you got a little shelf there. A little extra bells and whistles. Yeah. Yeah. Inside, just a sec. Okay, stop alarm, start vehicle. Well, you have an alarm system, looks like. Let's see, this is your nav stuff. Okay. Alright, there's the center console controls, quadruple cup holder up front, two in the back, and the kids can fight it out. And this is pretty neat in here. Look at all the space in here. Alright, and see there's the airbags and the climate control for that side. And let's see, you do have an actual key, so no push button on this one. But yeah, so you have the sync system just like mine, just like it was on the Flex. Everything is here and be all ready for you when you come home. Hey, love you. Bye.